Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Female Tron. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw the top of her helmet with an arch curve line across, semicircle turn downwards on both sides of the head, flare it slightly out and turn it back inwards at the lower point. On the left side of the helmet, I'm gonna extend it downwards all the way to her chin, curve line across to the right on her chin, turn it diagonally upwards to the ending point on the right side. Inside of the helmet, at the lower point in the middle, I'm going to draw a line downwards, turn it sideways on both ending points at the upper corner and the lower corner, and a line downwards on the right side of that. At the outer corner of that shape, I'm going to draw a diagonal line upwards and to the right. Semicircle turn downwards at the ending point on the left, and I'm gonna trace the same diagonal curve line upwards at this lower point. Semicircle turn upwards at the ending point above on the right. Mirror that same set of shape on the left side of her helmet. Below the head, I'm gonna draw a line downwards on the right corner for her neck. Turn it sideways to the left, turn it back diagonally upwards to the left. On the left side of that ending point, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards, semicircle turn to the left and to her shoulder, semicircle turn downwards on her shoulder. On the right side, below the helmet, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards, semicircle turn at the base of the neck to the right and to her shoulder point. Semicircle turn downwards at the side of her shoulder. At the inner corner of her shoulder on the right, a curve line downwards. Turn it outwards to the right with another curve line. Semicircle turn inwards and to her waist. And on the left side of her shoulder, another curve line downwards at that corner. Turn it outwards to the left and extend it with the curve line to her elbow point. For the outer line of that arm, I'm gonna draw another similar diagonal curve line downwards to her elbow point. And below her elbow point, I'm gonna flare it out with another curve line and turn it inwards towards her wrist. I'm gonna do the same thing for the inner line of that arm on the right. Below the wrist on the right corner, I'm going to draw another curve line downwards and flare it out to the right. At the tip of the thumb, I'm going to make a semicircle turn back upwards on the left corner. Turn it diagonally to the left. Sharp turn downwards at that point and all the way to the tip of that finger. Semicircle turn back upwards on the left corner. On the left side of that finger, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line up and to the left, semicircle turn upwards to the outer corner of her wrist. On the right side of the finger, I'm going to copy the same shape of the tip of the finger, right there, and repeat that same shape across to the right. And along the outer line of her lower arm, all the way to her finger, I'm going to trace the same line on the left right there, all the way to her elbow point, curve line across to the right. Turn it upwards at that corner and turn it sideways to the right. Trace that same set of line again at this lower point, all the way back downwards to her finger at the side of her shoulder, a curved line from the left to her sleeve right there. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right shoulder as well. And I'm gonna mirror the same shape of her arm on the right side. Now for the left side of her waist, I'm gonna draw on the right side of her left arm, curve line downwards and slightly to the right, curve line downwards at that corner. And below that, I'm gonna draw a curve line downwards and flare it slightly out to the left and turn it back inwards towards her knee point. Now from the left side of her waist, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line across to the middle point and slightly downwards, semicircle line downwards and turn it back to the left, diagonal curve line back outwards and slightly up to her waist. Inside of that shape, on the right corner, I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there, and inside of that, another circular shape. On the left side of that, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line at this upper point and another similar diagonal line below that. At the ending point on the right, a line downwards. I'm gonna copy the whole thing on the right side of her waist. Below that, on the right, a curve line downwards and flare it slightly out. Turn it to the left and slightly downwards. Diagonal curve line upwards and to the left. From the outer line of her thigh on the left, diagonal curve line across to that ending point and extend that line upwards to the right side of her waist. Above that line, I'm gonna trace the same curve line at that corner, and I'm gonna leave a small gap at that point and continue that curve line across to the right. Repeat that same set of curve line again, slightly above. And at all ending point except the one on the further right, I'm gonna draw a line downwards. At the ending point on the right, curve line upwards and slightly to the right and towards her right shoulder, and another similar line for the ending point at the lower right corner. Above, I'm gonna draw a line across at that point, and above that ending point, I'm gonna draw a circular shape, another smaller circular shape inside of that. Above that, I'm going to draw a line across, turn it upwards on both sides. On the left side of her shoulder, I'm going to draw a similar shape. And below that circular shape, I'm going to draw a line across, turn it diagonally downwards to the right on both sides, all the way to that point. And another one on the left corner. Turn it sideways on both ending points to the left and a line downwards at that corner. In the middle of her outfit, I'm gonna draw a small rectangular shape right there. And below that, I'm gonna draw a line across, turn it diagonally down and out on both sides. And below that, I'm gonna draw a long V shape downwards. Above the rectangular shape, I'm gonna draw a V shape from the middle point right there. Turn it diagonally up and to the middle point on both sides, and a line across in the middle point. At the side of her outfit, at the inner corner of her arm, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line downwards to the right, a line sideways to the left and slightly downwards. Below that, I'm going to draw another similar line across, and on the right ending point, diagonal curved line downwards and slightly to the right. Turn it diagonally up and to the left. Mirror that same set of shape on the right side of her outfit. Now for her legs, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards below the knee point, flare it slightly out, and turn it back inwards towards her ankle point. Flare it back outwards below her ankle point. Semicircle turn at the side of her foot and curved line across to the right. For the inner line of her leg, I'm going to draw another curved line downwards in the middle point. Turn it inwards towards her knee point, and below the knee point, another curved line downwards and flare it slightly out. Turn it back inwards towards her ankle point and flare it back outwards below the ankle point. Curved line back to the left at the base of her boots right there. Slightly above the base of the boots, I'm going to draw a curved line across right there. Above that, I'm going to draw in the middle point a small rectangular shape, and above that rectangular shape, I'm going to draw a line upwards. From the side of her ankle, I'm going to draw a diagonal line to the middle point and slightly upwards. Turn it upwards to the upper part of her boots. Turn it diagonally to the right and upwards. A line upwards and turn it diagonally up and to the right. Mirror that same set of line on the left side of her leg right there. In the middle, I'm going to draw a line across at that corner, and below that line, I'm going to draw a circular shape in the middle point right there. Now on her thigh, at the outer corner on the left, diagonal line upwards and to the right, curved line upwards. Repeat that same set of line again at the outer corner on the left right here. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of her leg on the right side. Now for her left foot on the outer corner, curved line downwards, turn it diagonally out to the right, semicircle turn downwards. Curved line across to the left at the base of the boots right there, semicircle turn diagonally up and to the left. At the back, I'm gonna extend the line from the top downwards to that ending point. Slightly above the base of the foot, I'm going to draw a curved line across right there. And above that, a small rectangular shape slightly to the right side in the middle point. And above that, curved line diagonally upwards, turn it upwards at that corner. Now for the details on her helmet, I'm going to draw from the top right corner a curved line diagonally in to the middle point, semicircle turn downwards. And on the left side, curved line downwards to the middle and slightly to the right. At the side of her face, I'm going to draw a triangular shape at that corner. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!